Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will be making Panjiri. Panjiri is a North Indian dish which is made from whole wheat flour, heavily laced with dry fruits and herbal gum. For this, take a heavy bottom pan over medium heat and add 1/4 cup desi ghee and heat. To this, add 50 gram of edible gum and let it roast till it is puffed and turns white in color. Remove the edible gum. Now add 1/4 cup each of almonds, cashews, walnuts, melon seeds and foxnuts. Mix well to combine. Let it roast for 5 to 6 minutes. In the meantime, transfer your cooled edible gum and grind. Now transfer the nuts to the mixing jar and grind till a fine paste is formed. Transfer the paste to a large bowl. To the bowl, add 2 tablespoons cardamom powder, 1/4 cup desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons carrom seeds, 2 tablespoons dry ginger powder. Mix well to combine. In the heavy bottom pan, add 1/4 cup of ghee and let it heat. Now add 2 cups of whole wheat flour and let it roast till it turns golden brown and becomes aromatic. Add this to the bowl and mix well to combine. Now add 1 cup of bura khand or darmarara sugar. Mix well to combine. Your Panjiri is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and comment what recipes you want to see in the future. And until next time, keep cooking.